Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to cut and save video file in Windows 10 PC without using any software. So let's take a look how to do that. For example, you can see I have a video file, and this video file I would like to cut some particular area and I would like to send it with my friends. You might be not have any additional software, video editing software, or you have not expert all these video editing things, and you would like to know how you can cut particular area and you would like to send with your friends. For example, I would like to cut this area from this to that place. So for that, what you have to do, choose the file, right click over it, and then click here, open it, and choose the photo, and it's going to be open with photo. Now when it's going to open with photo, you have to click in edit and create. After click edit and create, you will find here something called trim. When you click trim, it's going to appear a skin like this. For example, I would like to cut this video from 14 seconds to, for example, this time. You can see this is the area I would like to save it and I want to share with my friends. So this is the area you can choose either here, just you have to bring this ball, which area you want to do. For example, I want to do this particular area, which is 1 second, only this particular area. So what you have to do, you have to click after choose the area, click here, save as, and then choose the location. For example, I would like to choose the desktop location, and I'm going to give a name this video. After I'm going to click here after, and then I'm going to click here save, and it's going to automatically trim or cut the video. Now if I'm going to open the file, this is the main file, don't worry about the main file, it will be there, but there will be a new file. You can see this is a new file. If I'm going to click on it, I will see that file is converted, or this file is cut from the original file. It's only 1 second video. Now I can easily share with my friends and family wherever I want to do. So within this trick, you can easily cut any video, lots, or a particular you want to share with your friends. You can follow this trick. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.